Hi there, this is a short video about conditionals in English. This is brought to you by Centro de Idiomas María Cano. Conditionals in English, also called if clauses. They describe the result of something that might happen in the present or future, or might have happened but didn't in the past. We use the conditionals to talk about hypothetical situations or to show probability. As you can see in this chart, we have the probability, conditionals, and examples. So for high probability, we use zero conditional. If you study, you get good grades. So there is a high probability. Then we have a probability, first conditional. If you study, you will get good grades. Low probability, second conditional. If you studied, you would get good grades. No probability, third conditional. If you had studied, you would have gotten good grades. So now let's see each conditional. First, we have zero conditional, used to talk about things that are generally true or scientific facts. We have the if clause and the main clause. If plus present simple. We'll use present simple and present simple. If I have time, I go to the movies. If she gets money, she buys this car. If we get the contract, we start working now. If ice melts, it becomes water. Notice this comma here. It's important. So after the if clause, we use a comma, okay? Let's continue with first conditional, used to talk about a possible condition and its probable result in the future. We use the if clause, if plus present simple plus will plus infinitive. If I go downtown, I will meet you there. If she needs money, she will ask you. If you go to the mall, you will get something for her. Now let's see the second conditional. This conditional is used to talk about unlikely or hypothetical condition and its probable result now or in the future. We use the if plus simple past and would plus infinitive. Notice that would will give you the notion of ría after the verb. For example, would study, estudiaría. Would eat, comería. Would die, moriría. Would love, amaría. Okay? So here we use simple past. If I had money, I would buy a farm. If she ate peanuts, she would die immediately. If aliens came here, we would love them. Now the third conditional. This conditional is used to talk about an imaginary condition and its probable result in the past. Okay? We use if plus past perfect. Past perfect is usually made with had as the auxiliary plus a verb in past participle. Then we use would have plus a verb in past participle. So if you hadn't eaten so much, you wouldn't have gained weight. If she had studied harder, she would have learned more. If they hadn't spent all their money, they would have been able to buy the Eiffel Tower. Okay? So this means that in the past, they used to have a lot of money and they already spent it all. What else? No, this is just to remember that we use if plus past perfect, and here would have, okay? Also remember the comma, which is important, and that's it. So thank you for watching and I see you in another video.